Frequently used symbols and components and materials. Just the abbreviations here. We've got the B for bath, built-in cupboard is a common one, BT for the bidet, DPC, you know, the G for gully, ground line, inspection chamber, you've got the inspection eye here, manhole, rotting eye, rainwater downpipe, shower, sink, wash basin and water closet. All of these important to note. Then on the water supply, again a couple of them here, check valve, draw off trap, you can look through that, but the important three is the water cistern, the water meter here, make sure you can identify that, and the water storage tank. And then additional symbols is the NTS, not to scale, stormwater drain, I think by note on this one, the urinal, the waste pipe and the water through. On the last page in civil is specified the different materials and how you indicate them. Of course, undisturbed earth, the earth fill here, hardcore. Some variations in this will be accepted come the final. Of course, this is the sun's. You're going to draw this in freehand. So remember the triangles on your concrete. Undressed wood, the dressed wood.